Whoa! That was on my back. Whoa! Whee! God, what am I doing? This was dumb. Ni hao, dubes and dubettes. We're gonna be doing Okanagan Mountain, Wildhorse Canyon Pass. It's gonna be maybe a longer one, depending on how we're feeling. There's gonna be 2 lookouts that we're gonna hit. So I get the feeling that there might be a parking space up this road. Although the map did say we had to start from this point. It's a lot cooler today. It's supposed to only get up to 17 to 20 degrees. And that there'd be rain today, which was this morning. But I get the feeling we're probably going to be pushing towards 30 with it being so clear like this. I planned Okanagan Mountain because it was going to be cooler. Those weathermen are such lion sacks. I get being a weatherman is hard, but like so I don't know what kind of condition the trail is going to be in. This is going to be my first time out here. I'm hoping it's going to be decent. A lot of comments that it's overgrown. Again, I don't know if this area was mentioned, so I don't know if anything's been done in the meantime. Love the way the water droplets look on the leaves like that. This squirrely guy is eating nuts. Now I know this is an invasive species, but like that's a pretty big sucker. He's almost as tall as I am. Oh. Ah, that was a rock. Imagine a rock in a forest. 1 in a million chance. Whew. But yeah, that was in the lower back. I guess I should be paying more attention.
So this here is where we are. We're going to come up and through this lookout trail, come back down and across, and we should be cruising all the way to here. This will probably be the area that the lookout is, the second lookout. Now, further
500 meters to the lookout. I think we can look out for that. So ooh. Mush life. Ooh, a rusula. Oh, yes. Just fantastic. So from where we parked to this first lookout here, we've gone about 2.9 kilometers, which isn't bad. According to the tracker anyway, we did park a little way from the entrance that we were supposed to take. I'm running low on my camera battery, so it might be a lot of cell phone videos for this one. Yeah, I can't get over this nice little outlook here. It's definitely worth it. You can see over here on the other side of the kind of land bridge there, that should be Skaha, I think. Can you see here? The seeds back on the bottom. If you look up here, there's a ton of little pine siskins feeding away. They're going so feverishly at the seed in there. They're dropping seeds and little things so fast that it sounds like rain. Ooh, they're really getting into it. Castle. It's a little small, but good work for a cub. It's definitely a type of wasp.
Denison Creek. Whew. So that black stump right there, it's kind of a conspicuous color for a second. Came around the corner, startled me. I know this is a bear-rich area because there's a lot of upturned stones and ripped apart rotten trees, which means they're going after ants and grubs and things. Such beautiful granite. Look at that, isn't that neat? Big boulders on top of that guy. This rough country. Can you imagine your great-grandpappy coming out here and settling down and looking around and going, yeah, this is a perfect place to live? Ooh, we're out here. There's gonna be no level. Oh, there's something way up there. Yeah. But, yeah. Maybe like even just going to get groceries or going uphill somewhere. We were tough old Brewsters. I guess if you knew nothing else, that's kind of what you did. But this couldn't have been a nice, relaxing place to set up a farm. The valley's kind of not too bad, but a lot of this high country just moving through it. We did have the Kettle Valley rail bed, so that would have helped, but here what looks like sun rays coming down. That's going to be rain. Here, it's starting to get all musty over here. There's a good chance we could be in for some weather, so we're going to beat feet. It's looking like it's pretty close to getting over the mountain. And the clouds are moving that way, so yeah, we're going to beat feet. Okay, you guys remember the weather up at the lookout? Well, we're hearing thunder right now. Looks like it's on the other side of the lake from us, but we're heading into blue sky, so I don't know what this direction's problem is, but alright, well, we better scooch out. At least the rain's helping to cool us off a bit. Yeah. Yeah, it's not because I got the video on it. Well, that little micro storm out there, like that's white. What is that? Yeah. I think it's striking. So it's upgrading to hail again. Probably not as bad as Mount Kyogen, but I don't know if I want to stick around and give it some extra time. I'm gonna sign out here, probably. Oh yeah, they're starting to sting. So I'm gonna sign out here, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Nice hike, everyone.